Hello, good day guys, carmarket.com. This is a Land Cruiser Prado old 2010, 2017 conversion to 2018, 23, 24 look design. It's including all the body panels that you need. It is bonnet with lifter shocks, by the way. There is a front bumper and rear bumper. There are some metal support frames that you need. You can see there are some grill support items, radiator grill itself. There are chrome items for the trunk. This is also a piece for the door trunk door. There are some pieces for the upper fender parts. This is called heel shield or some heat shield, or this is like some people call it radiator cover on the top. There is a lock for the locking. This is fog lamps with the chrome garnishes, LED type of course. Okay, like this. Frames, holders, outer cover garnishes with clips. For headlights are here. It's already fully equipped with LEDs. Tail lights also LED type, all the bulbs are included. The chrome trims for the headlights, extensions for the radiator grill left and right, because full option version coming with the chrome frames. Basic option coming with the short frames only, like this. Of course, front fenders are here. Brackets are there. These are the brackets here. Rubber insulator for the radiator grill. There are lock parts here, you know, see this is the lock, how you can catch it from when you're opening the hood. So it must be changed also. Some extra items here. So these are absolutely important. This is the for the hood, but there is also one piece. There is the washer lamp covers, clips, all material necessary for the installation. Plate holders. This is the wire harness to mount the fog lamps with the button also. So basically you need nothing more. There's a relay included even. Relay, switch button is here. Everything that you need. You can see there's another connectors for the headlight. Okay guys, that's the package. We always inspect before delivery. Bumpers, it's already like primed, but it's coming unpainted. The body part's coming unpainted, guys. All right, so that's what you need to convert your Land Cruiser Prado FJ 150 from 2010, 2017 to 2018, 23, 24 look. Plus, if you want to have the body kits, we have that option as well. That bumper grill also included here. The rear reflectors also included there. Thank you for watching.